causes of obesity sa children. One is genetics, di ba? If you have the family who had diabetes from the parents, your parents have, yung transfer the blood eh. Pag may diabetes,
Okay, I can have
ang parent
diabetes.
mo, ang grandparent mo, pwede mo ma-acquire yun.
Mommy, that's diabetic.
Oo.
Tapos yung
Oo.
tito ko.
Yun. Dapat ikaw magpapacheck ka rin.
But I'm
You
not
have to,
diabetic.
check your blood sugar.
No.
Tapos, the food.
23%.
Too much chocolates.
Ano? 23%
food.
of Filipinos are obese.
Pero hindi sa all
You should have proper
Dito sa
diet.
atin,
Ha?
ako Philippines.
Minimal of chocolates, sugar, soft drink, carbonated food.
Then, how many percent are the Filipinos obese?
1%.
Filipinos or students.
Here.
Students.
We have our
10 to 15%.
10 to 15%
10 to 15% students
are obese.
or obese students also. How many
The
percent?
total population here in the school,
How many
the student.
percent in the Philippines?
20%. 23.
23%.
23%
Yeah.
are obese in the Philippines. Thank you, Ate.
Yun lang.
Okay.
Don't